Ladies and gentlemen, I'm CheFX and welcome to my page where I document my trading journey. So you all remember I posted a trade on Euro USD earlier this morning that I took a sell trade, but then I said I was skeptical about the trade because I saw a divergence. I saw this divergence, see this line, this green line here and this line here on the RSI. That's a divergence. So that's a sign of a reversal. But then I just took the trade to sell trade because most times price could show you a divergence and still go with the trend for a while before it reverses. It doesn't always happen instantaneously. But then, so I took a trade from, as you all saw this morning, I took a trade from, let me get my marker. I took a trade from this zone. And I was meant to take my profit from somewhere here because I speculated that the price was not going to come down to my break of structure, which is my normal take profit requirement. But then price moved down to the zone I wanted, but because of greed, you know the way the human being mind works, greed, I said, okay, fine, let me just wait and see if price would get to my break of structure, and boom, it went back and it has broken up this most recent high, which is this green line here. So that's a sign of a reversal confirmation. So this pair did exactly as we predicted this morning, but then I closed the trade at break even. I closed the trade at break even when price was. Thank God I didn't wait. I just closed the trade at break even, and it's fair enough though. I just learned my lessons today to trust your gut instincts and follow through with your plans. I don't let greed get into your head. So, but then it's okay just knowing that my technical analysis skill is growing, and most of the analysis I made since Monday has really been accurate. That is a sign of progress though. So, but I'm good with that. But then I still need to work on myself more. So that's for Euro USD. Then the GBP USD trade I took this morning also was a successful trade, though it has not gotten to my take profit, but I was tired of holding. I'm not an intraday trader. I just like holding my trade for the day and what's up. So I entered from okay, let me not use this. Let me use the marker. So I entered from here. This yellow line, see that yellow? This yellow line here, that's right, that was my entry. And I was meant to take profit at somewhere here, the next break of structure, but price has not gotten there, so I just got tired of holding. I took 3 positions, so they all closed in profit, but not as much as I would have made if price did actually follow through and get to my break of structure, which I think it will. But then I just got impatient and I was tired of all the emotional trauma that was happening as a result of that trade. It was taking too long. And what else? Then there's some other trades like CHF, CAT CHF here. It went exactly as speculated. You all see I posted the trade, but I closed the trade because of why I didn't trust this zone to hold, and it really did hold, and it came down to TP zone. So that was also a good analysis. UAD CAT to the same thing. This was my zone. I set the sell limit here, if you all remember, just that price didn't tap me in, but it came to my zone, but it didn't tap me in. So that was also a good analysis. Euro GBP too, the same thing. This was my zone. I entered here, but then because of it was a counter trend trade, I didn't want to hold. I let it go. But I closed in just a little bit of profits. I didn't want to hold the trade, and but price is doing exactly as I analyzed too. So I also drop analysis on GBP AUD, and it's so far so good. It's still acting in alignment with the analysis. So that's what's up. So I've come to understand that my technical analysis skill is really growing and becoming more accurate. But then I really need to learn to manage the trades and execute them properly. I'm still suffering from FOMO, that's fear of missing out. Today I realized I'm really suffering from fear of leaving money on the table. So I know as a trader we battle with 4 major fears: the fears of being wrong, the fear of losing, the fear of missing out, and the fear of leaving money on the table. But then it's not really easy because this is psychological. So I've really been working on my belief system, because that's what really brings up this fear. Reciting my affirmations, reprogramming my subconscious mind, planting the right belief systems to help me develop the right trading attitude, so that I don't have these fears anymore. And really, I see growth and progress. But then we are humans, we always want to move faster. But then let's learn to appreciate the little efforts we make. So this is the update on my trading journey. So far so good. Technical analysis skill is really growing. I just need to really work on my composure in the market, work on my trust in myself as a trader. Then what else? Execute perfectly. So thank you all for tuning to my channel. Like, subscribe, comment, and keep following my page and CheerFX. See you all tomorrow. But for today, I'm done trading. I'm good. Though it was still a profitable day, though not just as profitable as I'd love it to be. I didn't maximize the profitability of the day because I left so much money on the table. Price would come, give me enough, but I'm waiting for one other spot. Price would have gone to like 70% of my, in alignment with my analysis. I'll be 70% up, but I wanted to get to 100. If it's 70% up, just take it, because I came to understand that leaving money on the table is way more painful than actually taking a loss. Because, for instance, now I take a trade, a 1 to 3 risk to reward trade. I know, okay, fine, if I miss this trade, I'm risking, like, let's say I'm risking $50. I set the risk. So it's something I've accepted in my mind, because I would want to risk something that I know I'm comfortable with. So whenever I lose trades like that, I think I feel more comfortable. But leaving money on the table is way more painful, because you're not just missing what you risked. Let's say you risked $50 and price came 50. Let's say if that's in a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade, and meaning you're looking at making $150, and price comes all the way to like $120 and goes back and it's a missed trade. You didn't just miss $50 in that trade, you actually lost $170. I don't know if you get me, because price really gave you $120 that you didn't take before going back to take your money. So it's really a painful thing, and I think the best way to really handle that is to divide your trades into segments. That's the mistake I made for that trade, the Euro USD trade. I just took it once. So if I divided it, I could just take TP1, TP2. So if I'm taking TP1, I'll be in a good psychological space to handle and allow the rest of the trade to play out. So that's the lesson I learned today, and I hope to implement this tomorrow and keep developing myself as a trader. You guys should leave your comments in the comment sections, your constructive criticisms, and CheerFX. Follow my page, like, comment. So tomorrow is another day. We keep on going, keep on working on ourselves to become a better version of ourselves. As in whatever field you are, just don't give up. Accept your losses. It is in fact, losses are raw materials for growth. That's what trading has taught me. Trading has given me a perspective about failure. It's a raw material for growth. It's like the price you pay to become successful. Because, okay, now you failed once, this is why you failed. If you fail next time, that is when it's a failure, because the first time was a teacher. It's not really a failure. It's like, okay, you're going to lose this one, so you will learn something. Then you learn then the minute you learn, you've moved past that phase. So that's it. Thank you very much. This is a really long video. This is like the first long video I'm making. I really don't like to make long videos, but that's so it be. Thank you very much. Like I said, follow, like, comment, subscribe, CheerFX. Stay tuned.